Hi, this is Rakesh and you're watching Royal Technology. If you are facing any driver related issue on your desktop or laptop, so this video is for you. So how you can check the driver is installed or not. So if you right click on this PC, open manage from here and then device manager, then you will see all the device here, and maybe few drivers are showing exclamation mark, or maybe few drivers required upgrade or update. So from here you can one by one update. If you have internet connection, you just right click and update. Maybe you are facing the issue to upgrade or install online from here. So for that we will use a tool called DRP. Full form is DriverPack solution. So that's a completely free tool. So how you can use that tool to update or install all the drivers or a specific driver. So let's follow the steps. Just go to Google and search DriverPack and open the first URL and then click on install this green button. So it will download a small tool immediately. It's a KB file, so it will not take much time. So once downloaded, just simply open the file and then it will show a small window like this. It is totally depend on your laptop or internet speed. So just click on start. It is written here free. That's mean you don't need to pay any charges. It is completely free. So if you click on that option, then you will see this loading and please wait and that percentage. If you click on show logs, then you will see all the logs. Better click on show logs, because it will show if is there any error, that also it will show here. Make sure you should have a good internet speed. So once you are here, then just simply click on the first option, then it will start the installation. It will scan your system and it will immediately start the downloading, and after it will install one by one all the tools or drivers. You will see the details here. So after the installation, you will observe that it will install few software or tools with the drivers. So those are unwanted. We will uninstall those, and multiple time you will see some pop-ups. So you have to close those, and after installation complete, you have to restart. Then after restart, you have to go to control panel and uninstall those unwanted application, like few uh, antivirus, browser and other toolbars. So all unwanted application you can uninstall, and after uninstallation, just simply restart the system. And here comes our expert method. In this method we can download or install a specific driver. If you are a little expert and you know which driver to install, so you can use these options also. And below that, if you see, there is a option expert mode. So if you click on that, it will take you to a different dashboard, and here you can select manually all the required driver that required installation or upgrade. So manually you can select and install those drivers. So like this you can install or upgrade all the driver on your laptop or desktop. So also the best method is to download the driver from the OEM website. If you have a Lenovo or HP or Dell desktop or laptop, you can go to OEM website and install the driver. But this is the easy method. You can try this, and let me know if you have any doubt. Comment below, we will reply to all the comments. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.